when you think of customers, it's best to think of them in marketing in concentric rings. The first ring around you is early adopters. There is a small group of people that will just absolutely love your product. They're just like you. They're sort of been waiting for your product almost, or your service, even though they didn't know you existed. So there's early adopters that are very enthusiastic, and they can't wait to have your product and work with your company. But as you go out to each, adjacent ring, the next ring of customers, they're not as enthusiastic. They'll probably buy it, but they'll need a little bit more of a shove. And then you go to the next ring out, and those are people that are, maybe 50-50. And as you move out, it gets harder to close a sale. It gets harder to convince people in the outlying rings of customers that they should use your product or service. So the simple answer to your question is it's just hard. Once you get all the early adopters, sometimes, you get very enthusiastic because you think, wow, I can't believe how easy it was to get to sell the product. But that's only because naturally there's some small group of people that are excited about it. After that, it gets really hard. The messaging, the marketing, the promotions, the sales, the service, it's a lot harder to start working with customers that aren't as excited as the early customers are about your product. So some entrepreneurs, some people just can't figure out what they need to do different and how they need to work with those customers to continue to grow. So by definition, that second step and then the third and the fourth step take a lot of work and a slightly different approach than it took you to get your first customers.